I don't want just anybody. Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari.
Hey YouTube. It's like Morereek on back in another video. Today, I'm going to be deep cleaning my Focus ST. It needs a complete clean, like a complete deep clean. So I'm going to be probably, I don't know if I'm going to take my seats out, but I'm definitely going to be moving them to like the side, because down by the side of, I haven't cleaned in a while and it's really dirty, but we're going to be deep cleaning it. It's a mess. It's dusty and mad dog hair, all this other stuff. It just needs to be super clean. We're also going to be cleaning the outside as well. The inside we're doing first, so that's out the way. And then we'll be doing the outside a little bit later, just as soon as we get the inside clean. The most thing I'm really worried about is under the seat and then the back, and that's it. I'll be wiping down the inside a little bit just for all the dust. That's something I could just do very quick and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be doing a couple, B-roll and stuff like that but let's get to deep cleaning my Focus ST.
She said we better off as best friends. Ooh, what's a best friend? Can you let me know what it mean to be a best friend? That mean on the next man. Here we go, better off one time for the best friends. Best friends, one time for the best. Best friends, think we better off. She think we better off as besties. I can tell her it's a different when we texting. Cause I'm a nice dude, they try to test me. Had to slide up by that zone for the bestie. I can be your friend, do you wanna do that? Talk about me to your friends, I'm like, well, yo, do that. Be the best you ever had, you already know that. I'ma treat you like a queen and looking like, who that? That's just my bestie. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't need that extra stress, that's just my bestie. Then the day she just like, check please. Whoa. She be out here with the gang. I might catch her eye, we started laughing cause we tripping, yeah. She get a text, she said I'm sorry, gotta go. I ain't tripping cause I already know. She said we better off as best friends. Ooh, what's a best friend? Can you let me know what it mean to be a best friend? That mean on the next man. Here we go, better off one time for the best friends. Best friends, one time for the best. Best friends, you better off. Oh my, what you do to me is crazy. In the back of my mind, I know what you're on. 24/7, think about it daily. I swear you're the one that got away. Can't rush it, then got away. Can't run it back for a day. Using the time and the place. Ooh, you got it all. Just know nobody else knows the things I told you. So tell me what I gotta do to get closer. I'm willing to do whatever, baby. Yeah. I'm on besties time. You already know what the deal is. She said we better off as best friends. Ooh, what's a best friend? Can you let me know what it mean to be a best friend? That mean on the next man. Here we go, better off one time for the best friends. Best friends, one time for the best. Best friends, you better off. I don't want just anybody. Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. Just forever we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No. Apply that pressure, don't need no straw. Try to special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love right now. Won't tell nobody. In the middle, if I get it, then
it, as you've seen. I didn't really get to dry it. I need to get it drying. Like, I want to get like this special drying towel. I seen it. I think Wires makes it or something like that. But definitely gonna get that. I just rinsed it for now. Tomorrow or the next day or whatever, I'm probably gonna do an actual, like, you know, wash and wipe it down with my extra little extra spray stuff. So that's pretty much of cleaning DST. But where are we going now?
Studio.
Oh, I only got one hand. That was not good. Shit. But yeah, right now we're going to the studio. I'm gonna try and keep this video mostly about the car and not like other stuff. For other stuff like that, you're gonna see of the other video is gonna be vlogging with the iPhone 16 Pro, which I'm actually using right now. I'm not even using my camera, so y'all get to see it again, pretty much, because the vlogging with the 16 probably gonna come out before this video. So yeah, but we're on our way to the studio. I'm gonna get a couple clips of probably drive-bys with my car, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'll be back.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys that you top list. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to top, cause that's where I'm headed. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh, I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got to everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me.